Before SpaceX bought Cursor, the AI coding startup, Microsoft looked at it first. Our Kate Rooney scooped that story and has the details in today's Tech Check. Kate, why'd they pass?
Kelly, well, we'll get to that. And that actually is sort of an unknown here. We know they passed. We're not exactly sure why or what the financials look like. But it does turn out that SpaceX was not the only company that wanted to buy this AI startup. We're talking about Cursor. Sources now telling me that Microsoft did look at a potential deal to buy the AI startup. This is according to two people familiar with those deal talks. I'm told Microsoft chose not to proceed with that acquisition, according to one of the people. Companies declined to comment. And Kelly, we don't actually know why, but it does come as Microsoft really tries to boost its own AI tools. And coding has been especially competitive when you look at the slices of that market. The startup Cursor is one of the leaders along with Anthropic and OpenAI. But the news also at the same time does signal M&A interest from big tech, and then some of the cost pressure on the startup side. One of their biggest line items and expenses, it's compute, it's chips and data centers to essentially train these models and run them. Venture investors that I do talk to tell me it's putting a lot more pressure on startups to sell themselves potentially if they can't raise enough money to compete here. After the Microsoft interest, though, Cursor did, of course, strike that deal with SpaceX. Musk's company now has the option to acquire that startup for $60 billion or pay what a lot of people are seeing as a $10 billion breakup fee, sort of a partnership fee. One person did tell me ahead of that, though, that SpaceX had started to offer access to its massive data centers as sort of an overture to the startup. This did come at the same time, Kelly, though, as a venture capital deal was being negotiated. That would have valued Cursor at $50 billion when you look at the valuation. Investors in that deal that I talked to said they were actually shocked by the SpaceX deal. It came in at the 11th hour. They were preparing to wire the money. This one really caught them off guard, Cal.